This is how you purge the plumbing on the suction line of a pool system. Check it out. So this is my purging rig here, CO2 that I've got adapted and fitted. I got a little blow up bag in there that's a jet, plumber's jet. And when I open that up, I'm gonna be putting my big old boot here, or maybe better is like a brick or something, just to make sure it doesn't pop out. They have sucked up some of this bunk in the cleaner there. One of these leaf canisters right here. This is the Haywood brand. It's real simple. I wanted to get this one because it's got hard plastic and this is wood chips in here. I thought this one would work best. There's many out there. Anyways, so here we go. Let's see what happens. Alright, so here's the remnants of what was stuck in the plumbing prior to putting in that leaf canister. After I purged it, this flew out sink to the bottom, and I'm sure there was a whole lot more attached to it inside there.